Alright, so family, I'm gonna make another video on how to replace the kitchen faucet. My last time tried to change just the one is cartridge on the handle, but after changing the cartridge, the brand new ones is still leaking from the handle, leaking from right here. So good thing I emailed intech and they sent me a brand new one, brand new kitchen faucet. So it's pretty much really easy to and really straightforward. I thought I'm not gonna have a lot of space, but there's plenty of space actually on top there. So to start off, I took off the cabinet here to give more space. I thought I'm gonna have to remove this, but in the end I don't have to because of the space. So you got to undo both fittings, loosen it up. There is 2 screwdrivers here that hold up and tie up the faucet to the cabinets. So loosen up this one screw here and one screw there and just unbolt it. And all you do is just pull it up. Really easy. So as you can see here, pull this two, fit it one at a time. Boom. Boom. Let's see this orientation here. Fit it right there. See how you're gonna straighten it up. And from here, you're gonna go down and fit this adapter right here. That's how it goes, in case you're missing the orders how it should go. Again, one at a time. When you get all this done, you're gonna go all the way down. See how much space I got? Right here. Let's start tightening it up. Alright, so it's all screwed back in. Just tighten these 2 screwdrivers. It's gonna be Phillips head, and then just connect it back. It's really easy. Red to red, blue to this one is already modified, and then hook it up. Alright, moment of truth. Water's on. And there you go. No more leaks in that area. And I also want to make sure there's no leaks here. There are no more leaks. I'm going to check my water drinking. There's no leaks either. Yep, no leaks. And successful.